Good morning, students. Due to COVID-19, again we have to come to our online classes. So, in the previous week, we have discussed about real numbers in our school. So, we have discussed how we can prove that root 2 is an irrational number, how we can prove that root 3 is an irrational number, similarly root 5 is an irrational number, and also we have discussed how we can prove that 3 plus 2 root 5, 2 plus 5 root 3, 3 plus 2 root 5, or else 2 plus 5 root 3 as a irrational number. We can prove that this one is an irrational number. Now we are going to discuss exercise 1.3. So where question number 1 and 2 we have already discussed. That's why we are going to discuss question number 3. So here in question number 3, we have to prove that the following are irrational numbers. So first one is 1 by root 2. So we need to prove that 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. So before going to prove that, everyone knows root 2 is an irrational number. We have already proved that root 2 is an irrational number. Now we have to prove that 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. So let, if possible, 1 by root 2 is rational. So if possible, 1 by root 2 is an rational number. Now we know that rational numbers can be expressed in the form of p by q or a by b. So then 1 by root 2 can be expressed as a by b, where a and b are co-prime numbers. So let, if possible, 1 by root 2 is a rational number. Now if this one is a rational number, then we can express it in the form of a by b, where a and b are co-prime. Now one by root 2 equal to a by b, then we can write root 2 by 1 is equal to b by a. Now we know that b by a is rational number. Since b by a is rational, therefore root 2 is also rational. Now we know that root 2 is a irrational number. So, but this contradicts the fact root 2 is irrational. So it contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational number. So that's why 1 by root 2 is also irrational. Therefore 1 by root 2 is so very easy questions. So here we need to prove that 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. Now let, if possible, 1 by root 2 is a rational number. Now if 1 by root 2 is a rational number, then definitely we can express it in the form of p by q or a by b, where a and b are co-prime. So 1 by root 2 is equal to a by b. Now by writing the reciprocal, so 2 by 1 is equal to b by a. Now since this one is in the form of p by q, so b by a is rational number. Now if b by a is rational number, then root 2 is also rational number. Now this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. So that's why 1 by root 2 is also irrational. So similarly we can prove that 7 root 5 is also irrational number, and 6 plus root 2. Now number 3, 6 plus root 2 is irrational. So this one is exactly same as question number 2, which one is 3 plus 2 root 5. So try to solve question number 2 and 3 by yourself, and if you have any doubt, then we will discuss it in the next class. Thank you.